I'm going to show you how to install the software that you need for programming the Arduino microcontroller boards. For that, you got to install a software called Arduino IDE. For that, I'm going to ask you to go to the internet. You can Google it, easy. So go to Google and search for Arduino, download. Then you'll see download the Arduino software that is from the official site, arduino.cc. So go click there, and that will take you there. Here, the latest version 1.6.13 that's available. And again, you got to pick the right operating system based on the computer that you have. So you can pick either Windows or Mac or Linux, based on the type of operating system that you need. And also they have the zip files, for the Windows. But I recommend to go and use the installer directly, because the installer is an executable binary, that will install everything what you need. It's easy. So go and click on the Windows installer. In my case, Windows operating system. So Arduino is again an open community. If you want to contribute, you can do that, or just download. When you start the process, it will start downloading. See here, the executable is getting downloaded. And I have already downloaded the software. So what I did in my case, I have the software downloaded to my download software directory. See, it's already downloaded. And also, I'll ask you, before you start installing the software, go here to the learning and getting started. I'm just going to show you how this will look like when you start installing the software, just to give you an idea. When you go and start installing the software using the file that you just downloaded, you'll see the prompt something like this. By default, all these boxes are checked. I would ask you to leave like that. Then it will ask you to specify the directory. Again, by default, it will install the files under the program files x86. Take the defaults, and it will show you the progress bar, how the installation is going. Once after it is installed, it will also create a shortcut menu for your desktop. I'll show you. So after the installation, you will see something like this, the shortcut menu. If you double click, the IDE is opening here with all kind of initialization. Leave a couple of seconds. Then you will see the editor here. So typical programming editor, Couple of things that you got to do here, look at it here. Arduino, that is listening on port COM3. So if you go tools, the board default board is set to be Arduino Genuine Uno board. Once if you connect that board, or whatever the board that you have, then you should be able to see the port menu that is also enabled, showing you the board connector. Then you can start doing the programming here. This is the area. Then when you save the file, you can give a name to that. This is where you just verify or compile. Once if you're done programming, you can start uploading to your board. I am sure this will help you to give a quick jump start, how to install the IDE that you need for Arduino programming. Thank you all. Bye-bye.